the difficulty is selecting the right fitting in the storeroom. Well, the fittings gauge helps cover a range of hydraulics fittings. It has 5 faces, starting off with JRC UNO, turning around to a metric compression, light and heavy, BSP, SAE code 61 and 62, and on the top, O-ring face seal. So how does it work? Well, it's simple. Take a fitting and then just match it up. I know I've got a JRC, so just line it up. Straight away I can see it's a dash 14, popping it into the port and screwing it in. Perfect fit every single time. If it's not right, straight away you can see it's not going to work out. So screwing it into the right size port, it'll screw in perfectly. Looking at the other side, it looks like it's a similar size. Does screw in, but straight away I can see that it's not a good fit. So it's definitely not that size. Turning it around, lining it up, and it's lining up with a dash 8 BSP. Having a closer look, I can also see that it's a taper thread too. Choosing another fitting, again I've got another JIC, turn it around, it's a dash 12, checking in the port size, perfect. Starts off okay, it's locking, it's going to be on the other side. Got a dash 12 BSP. What I really like about the code 61 and 62 is the bolt holes allows you to match up your component to select the right series size. So the fittings gauge allows you to find and select the right size fitting every single time. No more frustrations running backwards and forwards and selecting the wrong component. Now the fittings gauge comes as a bare unit, allowing you to customize it to your fittings and your customer's requirements. Alternatively, you can add in the fittings pack and it comes as a complete unit. This is basically the ABC of training staff, new employees, and showcasing your products to your customers. It's a must on every sales counter and in the workshop. If you'd like to find out more information or order, give me a call, click on the links, or visit our website at primehyd.com.au.